A blender is a kitchen machine that helps people turn fruits, vegetables, ice, and other ingredients into smooth mixtures in a few seconds. It solves a simple problem. Stirring by hand can be slow, uneven, and tiring, but a blender can quickly cut and mix everything into a liquid, puree, or sauce. A blender works a little like a tiny spinning storm inside a jar. At the bottom of the jug, there is a motor. When you press the buttons, the motor begins to spin very fast. The spinning motion is passed to the blade assembly under the container. The blades are not magic knives, they are carefully shaped metal pieces that whirl at high speed. Inside the jug, the blades create a strong swirling motion. Ingredients near the bottom are pulled down toward the blades, chopped, then thrown outward and upward. This keeps the food moving in a loop. If the ingredients stop moving, only the bottom would be cut. The fast circulation helps mix everything evenly. The shape of the jar also matters. It is often wider at the top and narrower near the bottom, so food can flow back toward the blades. Some blenders use a special base design to reduce dead spaces where pieces could get stuck. That is why blending can be smooth instead of lumpy. A blender has a few important engineering parts. The motor provides turning force. The drive coupling connects the motor to the blade unit. The sealing system helps keep liquid from leaking into the motor area. The control switch changes speed because different foods need different levels of power. Soft fruits may need a gentle spin, while crushed ice needs stronger force. Speed control is important because the machine is doing real mechanical work. The blades must overcome the resistance of the food. Thick mixtures place more load on the motor, so good blenders are built with enough power and cooling to keep working safely. Better blades, stronger shafts, and sturdy containers help the machine last longer. Safety is built into the design too. Many blenders only run when the jar is locked in place. The lid keeps ingredients from splashing out. The base stays heavy so the machine does not jump around while spinning. These features make the blender useful and safer to use in everyday kitchens. So, when a blender turns a pile of ingredients into a smooth drink or sauce, it is using simple engineering ideas: a motor, spinning blades, smart container shape, and careful safety design. What looks easy from the outside is actually a small system of mechanical parts working together very fast.